All right, let's talk about the unsung hero of modern business, the warehouse. Seriously, it's not just some big box full of stuff, it's the actual beating heart of your entire supply chain. Today, we're going to look at how to make that heart beat faster, stronger, and way more efficiently using SAP Warehouse Management. Let's get into it. But first, let me ask you something. Is your warehouse a finely tuned machine, or is it maybe secretly the bottleneck that's holding your entire business back? I mean, really think about it. Just one little inefficiency there can create a massive ripple effect that touches everything from production all the way to customer happiness. And that really brings us to the core issue, what I like to call the warehouse chaos problem. It's a super common thing, and its symptoms are probably going to sound a little too familiar to anyone who's ever stepped foot in a logistics center. Okay, so here are the classic signs of that chaos. And you can see how they all just feed into each other, right? A slow picking process, well, that leads to shipping delays. Inaccurate stock counts, that means you're sending out the wrong stuff. And that last one, lack of visibility, that is the root cause of almost all of it. Every single one of these problems costs you time, money, and maybe, worst of all, customer trust. So, how do you fight chaos? Well, you don't just tidy up a bit. You have to implement a system. And in the world of big-time business software, that system is SAP Warehouse Management, or WM. It is literally designed to bring order to all that chaos. So what exactly is SAP WM? Well, it's a special module inside the bigger SAP ecosystem, and its whole purpose in life is to manage inventory with surgical precision. It doesn't just know that an item is somewhere in the building. No, it knows exactly which shelf on which aisle that thing is sitting on. It gets down to the most granular level you can imagine, the individual storage bin. You know what? Here's an analogy that makes this crystal clear. Think about a giant library. The standard SAP inventory system, which is called MM, it can tell you that a book is somewhere in the library, which is, helpful, but not that helpful if you actually need to find it fast. Now, SAP WM, that's the master librarian. It knows the book is on the third floor in the science section on rack B, shelf 4. This table just breaks it down perfectly. SAP MM works at that high storage location level, but WM, it drills all the way down to the individual storage bin. And that one single difference, that granularity, is everything. It's not just about finding things faster, it's about being able to do smart things, like putting your best-selling items right next to the shipping doors. That's something that's just impossible with a basic system. So how does it do all this? Well, it creates this incredibly detailed digital blueprint of your physical warehouse. It basically imposes a logical structure onto the physical space, turning what could be a maze into a perfectly organized grid. And this right here, this is the hierarchy that makes it all work. It's the system's backbone. You start big with the entire building. That's the warehouse number. Then you define different storage types, like, say, pallet racks versus just open floor storage. Within those, you can create sections for stuff like your fast-moving items. And it all drills down to the storage bin, the exact digital address for every physical thing you own. Now, with that digital blueprint in place, every single item's journey follows this super precise flow. It kicks off with a goods receipt. Then the system creates what's called a transfer requirement, or a TR. That's basically a request to move the item. That request becomes a firm instruction, the transfer order, or TO. And that tells a worker exactly where to put an item away or where to go pick it from. Every step is tracked, and the stock is updated in real time. No more guesswork, ever. Okay, so being organized is only half the battle. The real power of SAP WM comes from making your warehouse not just neat, but actually intelligent. And this is where it gets really, really smart. We're talking about integrating handheld scanners for picking that's totally error-free, or grouping orders into waves so you can fulfill a whole bunch at once. The system can even use advanced strategies to intelligently place items based on how often they sell, and it can automate replenishment to keep your picking bins from ever running empty. These aren't just features, these are like strategic weapons in the battle for efficiency. Now, for anybody who has actually used SAP, you know the whole system runs on these things called transaction codes, or T-codes. This is just a little peek under the hood. Think of them like specific commands or shortcuts that operators use to run all those smart processes we just talked about, from checking stock with LX02 to confirming a move with LT12. So yeah, those are the commands that make the system go. But what does all this technical stuff actually do for a business?
Let's look at the actual tangible results when a company gets this right.
So let's take your typical e-commerce warehouse. By putting these strategies into play, optimize layouts, RF scanning, smart picking paths, they can see picking speeds jump by as much as 30%. I mean, think about that. That means orders are getting out the door faster every single day.
And it's not just about speed, it's about being accurate. When every single item is scanned and validated by the system at every single step, the chance of sending the wrong product just plummets. A 20% drop in shipping errors, that means way happier customers and way fewer costly returns.
So when you combine that kind of speed and that kind of accuracy, the result is pretty much inevitable, a major drop in your operating costs. You're wasting less time, you're spending less money fixing mistakes, and you're using your people and your space way more efficiently. And this is so important to understand. WM doesn't work in a vacuum. It is deeply, deeply integrated with the rest of the business. It's talking to the sales department to know what needs to ship. It's talking to production to manage raw materials. And it's talking to finance to track the value of all your inventory. It really is the central hub for your entire supply chain. You know, I think this quote from our source material just sums it up perfectly. SAP WM isn't just another piece of software you buy, it's a strategic decision. It's the framework for building a logistics operation that is fast, accurate, and intelligent from the ground up. Okay, so we've seen the strategic value for a business. But what's the strategic value for you? Because understanding systems like this doesn't just improve a company's bottom line, it can totally transform your career. Mastering SAP WM can open up so many doors. You could become a consultant, helping other companies implement these systems. You could be an operations lead who uses the tool to run a world-class warehouse. Or maybe an analyst who dives deep into the data to find even more ways to be efficient. These are high-demand, high-value jobs in today's economy for sure. So we'll just leave you with this one last thought. In today's world, you just can't afford to have any part of your business be a weak link. So you have to ask yourself, is your warehouse just a cost center? Or is it ready to be transformed into a strategic weapon, your competitive advantage?